Drip versus Campaign Monitor. Which one is actually better for e-commerce? If you're running an online store, choosing the right email marketing software can make or break your revenue. But with so many features, pricing plans, and automation options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. So in this video, we'll break it all down and help you decide which one is the better fit for your e-commerce business. And stick around because at the end, I'll share an even better alternative that could be a game changer for your store. First, let's talk about ease of use. Drip is designed specifically for e-commerce businesses, so its interface is built around segmentation, automation, and personalization. It's relatively easy to get started, but because it offers deep customization, there's a learning curve. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, is simpler and more beginner-friendly. It's great for designing beautiful emails, but when it comes to advanced automation, it's not as intuitive as Drip. Next thing, automation and segmentation. Drip shines here because it integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other e-commerce platforms, allowing you to create highly targeted email flows based on customer behavior. Want to send an abandoned cart email only to customers who have spent more than $100? Drip can do that easily. Campaign Monitor does offer automation, but it's more limited. You get pre-built workflows, but they aren't as customizable as Drip's. Another key factor, email design. Campaign Monitor is one of the best when it comes to beautiful templates and an easy drag-and-drop editor. If branding and design are a priority, it's a solid choice. Drip, however, is more focused on functionality than aesthetics. You can still design good-looking emails, but the real power lies in its ability to send the right email to the right person at the right time. The fourth thing, pricing. Drip starts at around $39 per month, which is on the higher side, but it's built specifically for e-commerce, so you get a lot of advanced features. Campaign Monitor has a lower starting price, but its pricing scales up based on the number of subscribers, and some of the best features are locked behind higher tiers. If you need advanced automation and deep e-commerce integrations, Drip's pricing makes sense. If you just need basic email campaigns, Campaign Monitor might be the cheaper option. Deliverability is another factor that can't be ignored. Both platforms have solid reputations for getting emails into inboxes, but Drip has a slight edge because of its advanced segmentation, which ensures your emails are more relevant and engaging, reducing spam complaints and increasing open rates. Final thoughts, both platforms are good, but they cater to slightly different audiences. If you're running a serious e-commerce store and need deep automation and segmentation, Drip is the better choice. If you want something simpler with a focus on design, Campaign Monitor might be enough. But after testing all of them, I found an even better alternative that gives you the best of both worlds: powerful automation, beautiful designs, and a much better price. And through our link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So check it out and see for yourself.